concert F major.
See the first two measures again. That was better. Are you getting the kind of staccato you're looking for?
No.
Okay, get it.
First full.
First two measures. That was better.
You're a little bit off to the side, just a little bit, but go on.
You're turning your body when you conduct.
Mm-hmm.
That's why he's standing up, is to see if it's the same from the front. Come to your ready position. Okay. The problem is not it's the fact that your wrist is being straightened, so the baton is going straight forward. Come to your ready position, and it should be, you know, the ballerina first position, arms. That's what it should be. Let's see it. Your best ballerina possible. That's so much better. That looks more natural, and now you don't have to turn your body. You should have less tension. You have to go to that from now on.
When you watch the tape back, you're going to see some beautiful beat twos, and that's it, because the baton where you returned, it's in front of the whiteboard, so it's just you see your hand, you don't see any of the baton at all. And that's just something you have to be aware of, because probably when you're teaching, you're going to have a whiteboard behind you.
Your fourth measure staccatos were very nice. Make them all that way. Number 3. Ballerina, thank you. This versus this. Right now you're doing this, which looks like this, versus this, which looks like this. It feels weird. It feels like you're conducting a group of people over here, but they can see the slanty better than the this, and you won't have to do shoulder surgery, which you're really trying to avoid. Okay? Okay, thanks.
That's upside down.
that first staccato note, make as crisp and dry and short as you possibly can. Exaggerate it. Better. It can happen a little earlier and can still be more assertive.
Question for the class. This is going to be a very Dr. Steele vague question. What makes a staccato a staccato? Let me clarify as much as he would. What aspect, what is the nature of the staccato gesture? That's how he would clarify it. What does it look like? Crisp.
Yeah, just throw out random words. That's what we do when we don't.
What?
Fast. Vertical.
Fast, yes. Vertical. Vertical in what way, he would ask obscurely.
In the same amount up and down.
Yes, ish. That's the idea. It's got to be proportional. There is a proportion. I don't know what the magic number is for the proportion, and I don't know that it's exactly equal. Like,
Proportionate between the up and down,
Yeah.
not size.
yeah. What basically is your staccato is down, 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 and if this is our imaginary horizontal line, you're traveling this distance down and like this distance up, and it, if anything, should be a similar amount down and about 5,000 times as much up. And again, I don't know what the magical ratio is, but you're missing that vertical aspect of your staccato, and it's that motion that creates space in the sound and that makes a crisp staccato. So there you go. Go on.
Are we on number 2?
Sure.
You're making the right gesture, you're just not making it briskly enough.
Should I do that again?
Start on measure 3.
When you go on to number 3, remember in the staccatos the energy is in the up motion. It's still, you're doing it correctly, but it still feels like you're thinking down, down, I gotta break the plane, I gotta break the plane, and think up, up, up. And
Ow, ow, ow. That's
Yeah.
what I think. Ow, ow.
it's the hot stove thing. And also you gotta be really emphatic about the first one. So, as soon as you hit the ictus for the legato, you gotta be thinking, gotta go on.
You know they can smell fear. I'm afraid of this first note. They can smell it. Get rid of it. Attack that first note. Number 3. That was much more successful.
Now, you had a caesura fermata going into it, but it should feel exactly the same, even if it's coming off just a legato note in front of it. So just remember that. You get to it. Good job.